How to program an Insignia remote to a LG TV. If you're using an Insignia universal remote and wanted to control your LG, this video will show you the correct steps to program it. And it works best for most Insignia universal remotes. Alright, so of course make sure to firstly turn on your TV, make sure that you have the picture, then you press and hold the setup button, release when LED turns solid red or blinks once, then you press the TV button on the remote and the LED should blink again to confirm TV mode. And then you enter one of the common LG TV codes, 0178, 1423, 1265, etc. If the LED turns off, the code was accepted. If it blinks multiple times, try the next one. And then you press power. If the TV turns off, that means it works. Also, if you press the volume up or down buttons, if the sound changes, also works. If both of them do, programming is now complete. That's it from us for this video, guys. If you enjoyed and you were able to program your remote to your TV, well done. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.